How to delete messages on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove them. First of all, open the application. So basically, this is the section where all the inbox is available. Here, all the person that you have added will show up here. So simply tap on the chat that you want to delete. So here I'm tapping on one. So here we in this chat box. Basically, this is the place where all the messages are available. Now, in order to delete it, simply tap and hold on to the message that you want to delete. Now, here on the top, there are different options available. Here, there's a delete button too. Simply tap on this delete button, and here on the bottom, tap on delete. Now, as you can see, the message is completely gone and deleted for both the parties. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.